Alrighty, guys. Oh, damn. I still have hella better. Just helped my homie pack, as you guys could see. Gonna head home. And vibe, probably. So let's get it. To do. Hopefully it sounds better. I actually got a fucking wind gust bullshit. I should not really do that when my fucking bike's still warming up. That was a terrible choice. It's actually warm. It feels nice. I didn't even put on my windbreaker. Let's hope I don't regret that. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Let's see. Yay! Oh, what the fuck? Did not like that stoppie, apparently. Crazy over love, you too strong, going crazy. My ass. Wrong. Huh? The fuck? Just pop this bitch in first gear. Fucking install it. Sounds like this shit's cammed. Diggy Graves, great artist. So thank that I'm sentimental. Party come over there, bitchy, come on the road, the way to it's a red light, blue light bars. The party come over, the bitchy, come down the road, the red light, blue light bars. It was like, 1, 2, Diggy coming for you. 3, 4 hoes knocking at my door. In the morning, but the bitch is fine. So it's 666 of that. No party come over here. This you come down. Party come over here. She come down. My blue light bars. My blue light red. Oh. What the fuck? Please have enough to make it home, I guess. Hopefully I'm not like eating this. I could. From here, the cemetery. scared. Oh, battlefield, bed rocking, birds in my head when I talk. Always watching, always watching, voices in the backfield. In my head, contemplating, I'm pacing. Stop talking. Watch it. I'm talking in my head, I love a little faster, slowing down, another round. I'm a bastard, slowing down, down, under a TM, easy. I'm a follower, leaving, I want to go faster. Come on, motherfucker. I guess we'll see how it sounds. Not enough, but test 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to go faster. It's actually not as windy. A great ace ride. Bastard. Go down, down. Brother. Should not be this slow. I'm dressed, feeling like a mess on the bed, 5 an hour to my chest. the best. Ah, fuck. Damn. I died. Ah! I need... Oh, that's funny. At least it didn't die. Hey. Very nice. But so bad, guys. If you own a fucking bike, do not run the fuel as low as I do. It's so terrible. I feel like murdering you, and I won't capture me. I'm out of evergreen. It's an epic killing spree. I feel voices in my head, and won't let me settle free. It's another killing spree. I'm the mind of a killer. Yes, this one is massive. What's the point? Get off your phone. Oh, fuck. Oh, I think. Damn. Yep, Mitch died. Oh. Oh! Probably looks so retarded. Oh fuck, that's sketch. Alright, let's see. No. Am I really? Wait. Damn. Oh shit. I think I fell in love. I dead ass ran out of gas. That means I have to get gas. I don't want you. Fell in love with monster. I fell in love with. I think I fell in love with. I think I fell in love with a monster. Straight out of my mind to run. But oh man, my man, what the hell did I wait? Okay. I don't. Part of me, I don't care about Fuck you. Fuck you. Love you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Here's a love you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, fuck. I have too big of nuts. Ah. I have none. I'm almost there. Yeah. Ow. Fuck you. Fuck you. I can't do to come through, so fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ow. I have no idea how much this is even gonna be. I'm broke. Please tell me I have enough for a gallon. I'm not that broke. I'm that broke. I bought a gallon. Motherfucker.